How to fix Battlefield 2042 not launching or crashing on startup. Hey gamers, if you're having trouble with Battlefield 2042 not launching or crashing on startup, don't worry, in this quick guide I'll show you how to fix it. So let's dive in. First of all, you need to check system requirements, so ensure that your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Battlefield 2042. If your system is outdated, this might be the cause of the issue. Now, try updating your graphics drivers, as outdated drivers can cause crashing issues, so head to your graphics card manufacturer's website, Nvidia or AMD, and download the latest drivers for your GPU. Now, verify game files, so if you're playing through Steam or EA app, verify the game files. For Steam, go to Library, right-click on the game, now choose Properties, Local Files, and hit Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now, sometimes permissions can cause issues, so right-click on the game's shortcut and select Run as Administrator to give the game the necessary access. You can try disabling full screen optimizations, so right-click the game shortcut, go to Properties, Compatibility tab, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Now, you can try checking for Windows updates, as outdated Windows versions can cause crashes. So go to Settings, Update and Security, check for updates and install any available ones. Too many background apps can interfere with the game, so close unnecessary apps from the task manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC and ending unnecessary tasks. If none of this works, try uninstalling and reinstalling the game, as this can fix corrupted game files or settings. And that's it, these fixes to get Battlefield 2042 running smoothly again. So if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.